Setting up the remote monitor for the NeuroPace RNS system. Before using the remote monitor, be sure to read the entire NeuroPace remote monitor manual for related instructions, warnings, and cautions. Place the monitor near a wall outlet. Plug one end of the power cord into the remote monitor. Plug the other end of the power cord into an electrical outlet. Fully charge the monitor. Turn on the remote monitor. Unplug the monitor after charging. Press the monitor's power switch, which is found near the upper corner of the device. The home screen appears. Plug the wand cord into the monitor as shown. Connect to Wi-Fi. Touch the Wi-Fi button at the lower left of the screen to view and select available wireless networks. Select the desired network and touch Connect. If the network requires a password, a dialog pops up for you to enter the password. Once connected, touch Done to return home. Get data from your neurostimulator. Place the cupped side of the wand directly over the neurostimulator and rest it against your head. On the monitor screen, touch Get Data from your neurostimulator. The screen reports Communicating with neurostimulator, followed by Getting data from the neurostimulator. If you move the wand too far away from the neurostimulator during data collection, the following message may appear. Unable to communicate with the neurostimulator. Reposition the wand over the neurostimulator. The remote monitor screen reports when data collection has been successful. At the point, you can put the wand down. Tap Continue to return to the home screen. Powering off. When you are finished using the remote monitor, be sure to turn it off to conserve battery power. On the home screen, tap the power button. Tap the shutdown button to confirm you want to turn the remote monitor off. NeuroPace recommends you collect data from the neurostimulator at least once a day and send data to the website at least once a week.